Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Orchid Killer Instinct. Focus first on movement and defense drills in training mode, then practice her basic combo bread and butter strings. Break down a simple open combo, add an ender that converts to wall splat, and repeat until muscle memory forms. Emphasize timing, hit confirm habits, and safe spacing to minimize punish windows while maximizing damage and pressure output. Build combos from reliable confirms that work under pressure and online lag. Drill a 3-hit starter that confirms to an opener, then learn a safe ender that can be shadowed for extra damage. Practice converting mid-screen hits to corner damage by using air tools and Rekka timing. Focus on consistency before flashiness, and always know which combo to pick depending on spacing and opponent tendencies to avoid drops in match play. Defense wins rounds when you can read the opponent and react reliably to their offense. Hold crouch block to avoid throws, use shadow counter sparingly to turn momentum, and create whiff punish opportunities with long normals. Respect characters with superior range and adapt by moving laterally and using jump arcs wisely. Learn each matchup slowly, mark common strings, and prioritize punishes that lead to game-changing damage or a safe reset position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.